Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Rico here. We got my boy James here, so what's up?
What's up? What's good, man?
I know y'all seen him plenty of times, but today we're headed to a car meet, so it's gonna be sick. I know y'all like that little double footage for y'all, but yeah, guys, it's gonna be lit. It's supposedly it's like a Mustang only meet, but I'm more than 100% sure that hella people are gonna show up in different cars. Hope it doesn't rain. It looks like it's gonna rain, but it's whatever.
Nah, it's going this way. Look at it.
Yeah.
See how it's moving?
Yo, what's up, YouTube? We got here, parking lot. Fortunately, it's raining and it's gonna stop raining like in the next hour. So, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm looking.
I'm hungry. You wanna eat?
Yeah.
We'll probably grab something to eat since we're at Buffalo anyways, fuck it. But what we gotta do is we gotta find out where everyone's parked at. I'm guessing it's right there. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna go eat. I'm not even worried about where they're parking right now. I'm not trying to get wet. Nor am I gonna park too close so they're tripping.
Is that Brian?
Could be, actually. Look, it might be Brian.
I think it is.
It is.
It is Brian. And that's
I don't know who the fuck that slow ass Hellcat is though.
That's what's his name, bro? Fuck. Johnny. I think that's Johnny.
With a Hellcat? A wide body Hellcat?
That's Scat Pack. That's not Hellcat.
It's a fucking Hellcat.
That's
It's
a
a
Scat
wide
Pack.
body Hellcat.
Scat Pack.
You fucking stupid?
Go back.
It's a wide body Hellcat. Go back to the footage right now. Wait, after.
Dumbass.
Shut the fuck before I smack your stupid ass. So you trying to eat? Ooh, that's a big ass.
I'll call him right now, bro.
Tell him to pull up. We're gonna eat. Damn, I don't want to. I want to park over there. Where's my Thunder Buddy?
Yo.
Yo, I need my Thunder Buddy. Hey, cutie.
I figured you were with him, James.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? So we back. We had to wait it out. Some alright cars. Alright, YouTube. So we're gonna go ahead and go to another meet because this is kind of dead. Put your seatbelt on.
Okay. This meal was alright, but it wasn't as we expected.
Hey, see you guys.
Alright, bro.
Take it easy, man.
Be safe, guys.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna head to the next meet.
We gotta take a look.
We're gonna head out there. We got like a 20-minute drive, and we'll hit you guys back when we, when we get there. So we made it to the meet.
But they don't make it like that.
It's pretty packed. Wide body 2019 Scat Pack. We got some Hellcats on bags.
What you know about the SC300 though? And maybe me too.
That
Yo, you should have brought the excursion. Should have brought the excursion.
Is excursion really faster than busing?
Oh, let me record this shit. No cap.
Oh, it got serious. It got serious.
The drivers can go on. Oh!
Now they're fighting for real.
Oh! Oh!
I heard that shit. Now they're fighting for real.
Oh!
Now they're fighting for real. Oh yeah, now it's serious.
Ding, ding, ding!
I'm so confused, dog.
I know they were laughing.
Oh!
Yo, they were like laughing. Now they're like mad.
Yo, you got more soda? Oh, why do you come to a car show and do that?
It got serious.
Now they're talking like, can we be friends? Like, you know, trying to conversate.
Why you fuck him? Cause girl had to.
Damn, bro. Johnny really missed out on a good car show this time. What you laughing at? You missed another big one.
Got a Hellcat on Dags over here. On Bags.